Okay, this is a Manta Fishing Kayak. What I did is I used two different trolling motors. One of them was a foot controlled trolling motor and the other one was just a little 17-pound thrust Minn Kota. But the mounting hole for the trolling motor is the standard hole that comes in the kayak. And what I did, I made a bushing right here. Made a plastic block, a couple of heim joints. That's actually electrical connector right there with wire cable. So what it does is just drops in the hole there. What I've done for the steering system is made a couple of these blocks here out of PVC, put a little 2-part epoxy in there. That drops in right here. Okay, this is my steering system. I just plastic block, grooved, hole drill through it. It's right here, drops down in there. Steering cable comes around this way, Some electrical cable. And I just got a couple of rollers here. Snaps in there. This in here, snaps in right there. And we're good to go. Forward. And that was my answer to it.